Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts. In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating topic that combines the power of artificial intelligence with the world of cryptocurrency investments. I'm your host, Your Name, and I'm thrilled to share with you 5 easy tips on how to effectively use AI to invest in crypto. So, let's dive right in and uncover the secrets to maximizing your crypto investment strategy. Tip 1. Data collection and analysis. Our first tip is all about data collection and analysis. When it comes to using AI in crypto investments, data is king. Start by gathering a wide range of high-quality and relevant datasets. This includes historical price data, trading volumes, market trends, news articles, social media sentiment, and even blockchain data. The more comprehensive and diverse your data, the better insights you can derive from it. Once you have your data, leverage AI algorithms and techniques, such as machine learning and natural language processing, to analyze and extract valuable patterns, correlations, and insights. Tip 2. Sentiment analysis. Moving on to our second tip, sentiment analysis. The cryptocurrency market is heavily influenced by public sentiment and perception. AI can help you gauge the sentiment surrounding different cryptocurrencies by analyzing social media posts, news articles, and online discussions. By utilizing sentiment analysis techniques, you can get a pulse on how the community feels about a specific coin or project. This information can be a valuable addition to your investment strategy, providing you with insights into potential market reactions and trends. Tip 3. Price prediction. Our third tip revolves around price prediction. One of the most exciting aspects of using AI in crypto investments is its ability to analyze historical price data and identify patterns that may indicate future price movements. By training machine learning models on historical data, you can generate predictions and forecasts about the future price behavior of cryptocurrencies. However, it's important to note that no prediction is foolproof, and combining AI-driven predictions with your own fundamental and technical analysis is crucial for making well-informed investment decisions. Tip 4. Portfolio optimization. Now, let's move on to tip number 4. Portfolio optimization. Building and managing a diversified portfolio is essential in the world of crypto investments. AI can play a crucial role in optimizing your portfolio by analyzing various factors, such as risk, return, and correlation among different cryptocurrencies. By employing optimization algorithms, you can determine the optimal allocation of your funds based on your investment goals and risk tolerance. This approach helps you balance risk and maximize potential returns by spreading your investments across a well-diversified mix of cryptocurrencies. Tip 5. Real-time market monitoring. Last but certainly not least, our fifth tip emphasizes the importance of real-time market monitoring. The crypto market operates 24/7 and is known for its rapid pace and volatility. To stay ahead of the game, it's vital to monitor the market in real time. AI-powered tools and platforms can provide you with real-time market analysis, alerts, and notifications about significant price movements, news events, and emerging market trends. By leveraging these tools, you can stay informed and adapt quickly to changing market conditions, enabling you to make timely and informed investment decisions. And there you have it, our 5 easy tips on how to use AI to invest in crypto. Remember, while AI can provide valuable insights and enhance your investment strategy, it should always be used in conjunction with your own research, analysis, and risk management practices. Embrace the power of AI to uncover hidden opportunities and navigate the complex world of cryptocurrency investments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.